Hello everyone, you're on the Crypto House channel. Today on the review I have a young but extremely breakthrough and promising blockchain project called Inery, whose team brings to life a unique concept of data processing. Also during the video, in addition to the project review, I will tell you about several activities from this project, where each of you can earn tokens for completing various tasks. So be sure to watch this video until the end. Inery, first of all, is a large technology company that has a strong background and far-reaching plans behind it. The Inery project is also headed by quite experienced people who have seen not a single financial crisis. The chairman of Inery is Simon Murrey, who previously ran various financial companies such as Deutsche Bank and the Rothschild Bank for several decades, as well as IT companies such as Oragne, Vodafone and Huawei. Inery's CEO is Naveen Sing, who has held senior positions in many Swiss companies since 2012. Inery's flagship solution is an independent first-level blockchain based on a consensus algorithm called Proof of Equal Stake or Self-Delegated POS. It is a modification of the traditional POS algorithm that provides power efficiency, speed, scalability, and network security. In Inery, transactions are confirmed in less than a second and throughput exceeds 5,000 TPS. Only here it is important to understand that within the framework of the Inery project, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are just one of the components and not at all the basis of everything. Inside their blockchain, the Inery database system will work, which will provide developers with the opportunity to interact with data in a decentralized and trustless manner. There is no truly reliable storage solution these days. After all, any centralized storage will always have risk of hacking or data loss, and many decentralized solutions like Filecoin have a number of drawbacks. To solve this problem, the Inery team is developing its project, a fully decentralized database stored on the blockchain. This approach provides a variety of management, security and data integrity capabilities while maintaining the convenience and clarity that comes with centralized database management system. Unlike regular databases, Inery has no central service that stores all the data. Instead, each node is owned and operated by a separated entity, providing a decentralized structure and eliminating a single point of failure. The blockchain architecture also used in Inery ensures that data once stored in Inery DB cannot be changed or deleted. Another important advantage of the solution from Inery is its availability. Traditional database stack can be quite expensive. Inery reduces the cost by converting information into cryptographic keys and storing it on the blockchain to reduce the weight of the data and increase its security. This allows Inery to provide a low-cost and affordable database management solution compared to a conventional database stack. The Inery team also pays great attention to the ease of use of its solution and wide possibilities for integration. Inery users will not only be able to store data in Inery DB, but will also be able to sort it, filter it, find and retrieve the necessary data, fragments at many times, and so on. However, you should not think that the Inery blockchain is limited to purely data. Here, as in any other first-level blockchain, it will be possible to create smart contracts, including their rather unusual options such as value contracts. Plus, the Inery blockchain has a place for classical fungible tokens, NFTs, and even interaction with other blockchains through a built-in cross-chain solution. Moreover, for dApps developers on Inery, even a special graphical interface will be created to facilitate the creation of applications. This is a hallmark of Inery that will attract many big players to the blockchain. For example, representatives of Inery recently met with the management of BEL. BEL is Barrett Electronics Limited, an Indian technology holding which includes 9 enterprises and manufactures more than 350 items, including for the Ministry of Defense of India. And with the management of this company, representatives of Inery signed a memorandum of cooperation according to which Inery will provide BEL with reliable and decentralized data storage services. Also, at the moment, major players in the venture capital market have already become interested in the Inery network. During the seed and private rounds of the sale, the Inery team raised over $7 million in funding. Early investors in the project include GEM, MetaVest, Next Block, Cap Lion Point, Trustwent, Nebulous Holding, Caplion, Point, Manas Global, First Media Advance, and Zazen Switzerland. Also, the Inery project supports the advisors, many cool advisors from the crypto industry and beyond. For example, Belly Sign from Everdome and Meta Hero, Paul Taylor from Fantasy Studios, or Stagey Chail, who previously led global marketing at Apple. But this is about the big players. In addition to them, anyone can join the Inery project now as an investor, tester, or ambassador. Inery coins, the main assets of the Inery network, are currently freely available to anyone. On the 28th of September, they had a TGE and a public listing. The first exchange to add the Inery coin to its trading list was the monotorious Huawei global platform, which, in addition to a simple listing, also conducted an Inery airdrop among its users. The start of trading for Inery was very successful. From the initial value of 22 cents, the price of Inery rose to 70 in the first few hours after the listing. Now the price has already corrected quite a lot, which can serve as an excellent Inery entry point for long-term holders. And if you also believe in the success of Inery, then at the moment you can become not only their first investor, but also one of the first ambassadors. A couple of days ago, the Inery team announced the start of the ambassador program. Influencers, content writers, and interpreters can join Inery and share the Inery 1 million prize pool. To become an Inery ambassador, you just need to fill out a special Google form and wait for approval from project representatives. In addition, the Inery team is currently running a rewarded Testnet campaign. Any user can register as a tester, run their own Inery blockchain node, and perform various tasks that are regularly published in the control panel. You can find all the details regarding the Testnet and EMBA of the Inery campaign in the social networks blog and project documentation. I will leave links to them in the description of this video. However, I don't encourage you to invest in the project. After all, any investment in crypto is a big risk. So you should definitely do your own research. That's all for now. Thank you for your attention. The Crypto House was with you, a place of new technologies. Bye bye.